What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Remove Background and CapCut PC Full Guide. Let me show you how you can remove background using CapCut. First, open an existing project in CapCut that you want to remove the background or create a new one. Then select the video like this, and then head over to the top right of your screen and go to Video. Then go to Cutout tab over here. Then click Auto Cut over here, and then just click this box. And now you will see that the background is now removed. Take note, this background remover only works on human figures. For free CapCut accounts, removing background can still work. However, for CapCut Pro, you have an option for different strokes for the cutout. Since I'm using the CapCut Pro, I have some options over here for my cutouts. Either way, you can still overlay this with different background, even in photo or video background. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.